What if I told you that you could turn your idea, a scribble on paper, or even just a screenshot of a website, into a fully functional app or web design, all in just a few seconds? Sounds like sci-fi, right? But this isn't a dream. It's exactly what DesignVerse.ai claims to do. This platform takes your prompts or screenshots and turns them into professional-looking UI designs with actual front-end code. Basically, it's like ChatGPT, but instead of writing essays, it builds your next app or startup project. And today, we're diving deep into it. So what exactly is DesignVerse.ai? In the simplest terms, it's an AI platform designed to bridge the gap between designers and developers. It helps you create fully designed web or app interfaces using just a simple text prompt or a visual input. The idea here is to remove the friction that exists between design and code. Because let's be honest, even with tools like Figma, handoff between designers and developers can be painful. DesignVerse tries to make that process effortless, automated, and accessible for everyone, whether you're a pro or a complete beginner. Now let's talk about how you can actually use this in the real world. If you're a freelance designer or developer, DesignVerse can cut your design time by 80%. You can generate the initial concept, refine it, and then deliver it to your client faster than ever. If you're a startup founder, this tool helps you prototype ideas visually without hiring a team right away. Just type your vision, and you'll instantly see how it looks on screen. And if you're someone who's learning UI/UX, this is a goldmine for studying design structures, layout flow, and modern trends. Basically, it's a creative accelerator. Now, let's jump straight into the sign-up process for DesignVerse.ai. When you first visit the website, you'll see this sleek, futuristic landing page. All you need to do is click on the sign-up button in the top right corner. DesignVerse makes it super simple. You can either create a new account manually or just continue using your Google account. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Google option because it's quick and seamless. Once you grant permission, it instantly logs you in without any extra steps or verification emails. And just like that, you're inside the platform. Now this is what your DesignVerse dashboard looks like. It's beautifully minimal and easy to navigate. Now, let's try it out. In the prompt box, I'll type something like, create a sleek landing page for an AI startup with a dark futuristic theme, glassmorphism style cards, and a minimal navbar. Once you hit that send button, DesignVerse.ai gets to work instantly. Within seconds, it begins generating a professional layout based on your description. You can actually see it in action right here. It starts by analyzing the text you entered and displays messages like generating and thinking about the features requested. This is where the AI breaks down your description into actual design and functionality components. On the right-hand side, you'll see a preview window loading up with that futuristic animation. It feels like the system is literally building your app in real time. It says creating features and installing dependencies, which means it's setting up all the back-end and front-end elements required to make your app functional. What's really cool is that this whole process mimics what a professional developer would do. Only here, it's happening in seconds. The AI reads your description, plans out the layout, adds UI components, and even handles the dependencies needed for the app to run smoothly. You also have the option to toggle between preview and code at the top. The preview tab lets you see your project visually as it comes together, like a real web page, while the code tab shows you the full structure behind the scenes. This means DesignVerse isn't just generating static visuals. It's producing real, editable code that you can copy, modify, or deploy directly. So, within a few moments, your AI-generated app is live inside the DesignVerse editor, ready for fine-tuning or instant deployment. Let's quickly touch on pricing. DesignVerse runs on a freemium credit-based system. You get a few free generations daily to test the platform, and if you need more, you can upgrade to the Pro plan, which unlocks unlimited generations, priority rendering, and access to premium templates. For most beginners or small creators, the free tier is actually generous enough to experiment and get a feel for the tool. But if you plan to use it regularly for client work or content creation, the Pro plan is definitely worth considering. So, is DesignVerse.ai worth trying? Honestly, yes. For anyone who's even remotely involved in design, web development, or content creation, this tool feels like a glimpse into the future. It's fast, intuitive, and blends creativity with functionality in a way that very few AI tools manage to pull off. It's not replacing designers, but it's giving them superpowers. It's helping founders visualize their ideas. Developers speed up front-end workflows, and creatives experiment with new styles instantly. If you're serious about staying ahead in the AI wave, this is one tool you should absolutely try. So what do you think? Would you let AI design your next app or website? I'd love to know your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let's discuss. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the most powerful and innovative AI tools out there. And if you want to try DesignVerse yourself, I've dropped the link in the description. Give it a spin and let me know what you create. I might even feature some of your designs in a future video. This is AI LedgerX, where creativity meets artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.